Hey, it's Jim from Intermountain Custom Model. Got a pair of Canadian Pacific Gevos from Intermountain, 8.719 and 8.731, and both of them have custom weathering on them, and I did the lighting upgrade on 8731. 8719 was okay out of the box. Just take a look at lighting really quick here. There you go. And why don't we take a look at these guys working here. Not bad, very slightest of differences there out of the box, but that looks like it's purely acceptable. Alright, and we'll reverse that. Sorry about that. And the truck's on 8719. I probably need to hit with another coat of flat finish because I use two kinds of flat finish. I use the acrylic flat finish to seal everything in, and then at the end that kind of leaves it a little bit chalky, and then I use the Flocco flat finish at the end to kind of knock all of that flat down, and it doesn't look like I put enough on the lead unit, but that's no problem. That's a simple 2-minute job. Anyhow, everything runs, all the lighting works fine, and you can see the weathering. So thanks for watching. Bye.